Today I want to go. I will repair and fix my stuff, my old stuff. Do you remember my jeans, my old jeans? I use my bits. Before I use pink pearl, now I will use violet, purple bits. Big and small, and put it on my jeans and here, so it will have more style. Maybe at here I will fix it so it will not be plain anymore, and I can use my bits for good reason. There are maybe 20 or almost 30 bits here, big and small. And then, do you remember I bought accessories, ribbon? This one, it is broken. So I will ask the tailor to sew it on here. How do you think? Good, right? Like Gucci vibe. This is my little black dress, almost 10 years. It's still good on me even though I'm become fatter, and I still can use it. So I will use this to maximize its look and makes me feel and look better with my new black dress. Remember, you don't have to buy new clothing if you don't have money. Just use accessories to maximize your looks. It's cheaper than buying new clothing. And this one, I have two tote bag, the big one, and this is the smaller one. It's broken. I will repair it. Ask the tailor to fix it so I can use it. Maybe for bringing something not heavy, light thing, I can use it. Okay? Don't be shy to use cheap things. Don't be shy to repair your things, because it's better you repair with a few amount of money than you scamming other people. It's not good scamming. Okay, see you again next time. Hi, I will fix other clothing. This is still suitable for me, but the four-ring is broken, so I will ask the tailor to fix it for me. And I have another jeans and another accessories. I will ask the tailor to sew it at the back. So different. Okay? Usually I ask them to put it on the front side, but now I will ask them to sew it here. Let's see later the result. I will go now to take it to the tailor. See ya! Hello! This is the result the tailor has fixed, so I can use my bag. And then this one, the beads. How is my new jeans? My jeans looks better, right? It looks so cute with new accessories. I don't have to buy new jeans anymore. I just have to change it a little bit. And this one, before I cannot put something in here because this is broken. There's a hole. So when I put something, it will fall down. Both of them. Now I can use it. Look, look, look. I can use it. Let's see the other one next day. Okay? Bye-bye. Hi. I already go to the tailor. And this is the result. This is my new jeans. No accessories in front of it. And this is the back. It looks quite good, huh? So, you don't have to buy new jeans, you have to buy accessories from now on. And this is one. Before the furring, the inner layer is broken, but they fix it and they change the pocket too. Okay, more of the story. Fix something, don't change it and replace it after it broken. You have to save your money and become innovative and creative. Okay, see ya.